we have our new product called PolarLink. The PolarLink is sharing the Wi-Fi to these Wallas units, and it is having the pre-installed SIM card in. It's easier for the customers when they just do the simple registration. Then all those products are connected, and it's just not for us. The customer can start the heaters remotely, and when you are in a camper van, then you can just from the mobile app. It's easy to use the products because everything is intuitive. The mobile app is responsive and so on. So everything can be controlled from there.
So I understand if, of course, if a customer is like wherever on the world, let's say South America, somewhere far remote, then actually from the Wallas headquarters in Finland, you can access the heater and you can see the technical data. But can you also do changes on the heater if the customer is asking for it, like remotely?
Yes, of course. So basically there are 50 different parameters, and we can change these parameters, which means that we can, if somebody needs more ventilation that the normal mode is giving, so we can add that ventilation from there. Or if he, let's say, needs hotter air, we can change the target of the blown air temperature, which means that we can get that to be hotter, and also we can get that effect on the amperage draw and do many kind of different things. And if there's a new installations coming in, let's say that you have matrix heaters and you want also the radiators, we can change these parameters so that the customer doesn't need to do anything. We can provide this over the air. And this is something what nobody else has. And also this is completely safe. We cannot start or stop anybody's heater. We can only follow, and we can change these parameters, and all of them are supervised by us. And all the kind of changes can be only done from Wallas factory, which means that if you would go crazy, it doesn't help because and you cannot change anything. But of course, we give the access for you that you can see how things are going with your, so to say, fleet. That let's say that you have a customer who is having the rental cars, like 100 rental cars. It's easy to do this kind of fleet view for you that you can follow and help your fleet owner. And this is something what took many years to develop, and we also invested a lot of money on this software. And people who have these kind of remote places, they choose our heating systems and cooking systems because of the support what we can provide. And of course, for example, with the PolarLinks, we can still keep on updating things. Let's say that you buy our heater now or our cooker now today, and in 5 years' time, when we develop new things, we can throw the whole software through the PolarLink to these heaters and cookers. And also, at the same time, we can change these parameters. They might sound a little bit technical, but these kind of parameters and softwares and things, but basically it gives the possibility to every single customer to adjust the heating and cooking systems to be perfect for them. Of course, the sky is not the limit, but let's say the most of the things we can do.
I mean, I myself, for many years, I've been on trade shows, and always it's a question about, okay, what is the service network? Like, do I get help like at faraway places? But actually, with your solution, in most cases, you do not need a service network because you get like the engineers really connecting with your heater directly. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right. Of course, we cannot change the glow plug over the air, but we can affect on the glow plug, for example.
That is pretty outstanding, I would say.